Hi everyone, so I thought I'd do a quick video while collecting my dinner. We're having Chinese tonight, so I'm on the way to pick it up now. But I just had a mad trading session. I managed 8-2 it was, and I planned this week to trade Forex for myself because this week in the VIP group everybody's talking about price action. So this week's training is price action. So I've planned to do some kind of Forex trading with pivot points and Fibonacci levels, but I ended up doing binary trading, and it's a really good example, okay, because I took a pivot point trade, you'll see in a minute, and I lost it, and then I actually had to load up the binary destroyer and I took a few more trades and I won them. So it just goes to show that even I need to use the binary destroyer to help me, because sometimes when you get so used to something, I feel kind of naked without it. And even though I can trade naked price action, I still have to use my binary destroyer to help me get into trades, which was very interesting. And you see it in today's trading session, me having to load up the binary destroyer and get into trades. So I won't keep boring you on the way to the Chinese. So let's cut it there and we'll go straight over to the charts. So price action, probably one of the most biggest mysteries in this world when it comes to trading. I'm sure you guys have took trades, or you've watched videos and people have gone, learn price action, learn support and resistance, learn trend lines. So yeah, in today's trading session we're going to be trading price action. Now, funny enough, this week's training topic in the VIP group is price action. I ask every week what the members want to learn, and they have chosen, and I'm just going to sell right here. I'm going to take 2 trades on a sell. So yeah, I ask every week what the BD members want to learn, and today, well, this week they wanted to learn price action. So what is price action? Why is it such a big mystery in trading when people say learn price action and you'll make money? Well, price action is basically price reacting at certain levels, and then we're taking action and getting into a trade. So basically I've took action here and I've got into a trade, sell on GPUSD. Why did I sell the market here? Well, I sold on this engulfing candle. So technically that's price action, is it not? Stochastics overbought. Okay, we had a nice push up here. We had a couple of dojis here, and then we had an engulfing candle. So technically that's price action, is it not? Yes, it is. It is actually. We are technically trading, the market is reacting at this level, and then we're taking action and getting into a trade. Now, this trade does not meet any rules, so for the record it was just me explaining to you, and I'd normally be taking a buy at this level. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to break down the charts, okay, and we're going to use price action to get into some trades. So I'm going to load up the BD, and I'm going to see what setups we can take using, okay, look, here we go, nice example. This would be a nice buy opportunity here. Yeah, let's take a buy opportunity here. So this would be Euro USD, and I want to take this trade, Euro USD, I want to take this trade up before it shoots up quickly. Okay, I'm going to go for 15 minutes, right? Up, 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 up. There we go. Right, this is actually a nice setup, and I want to explain to you. Let me just see what the stochastics is saying, and we can get into a trade. Okay, not the, but what's the 1 minute saying? What is the 1 minute? Okay, 1 minute is good actually. Actually, this is a good trade. What's GPUSD saying? GPUSD is not doing a lot at the minute. I might lose GPUSD thinking about this. but we'll certainly win USD trade, right? So let's go over to the 5-minute charts, and I'll just break it down to what I see, right? So I'm sure if you watched my videos before, I say when the white line is on top, we take sell trades because it's a downtrend, correct? But what happens when the price crosses over here and the white line now goes on top? What does that mean? I mean, white line goes on bottom. What does that mean? It means a trend reversal. The market is changing direction. It's reacting at this level and changing direction. So technically, this is price action, right? So why did I get into a trade here? Okay, well, first of all, I got into very late with this trade, right? I should have got in at this signal candle, but the price hasn't really done anything. Okay, it's just gone sideways, right? So this is what I like about this setup. First of all, we've got the market is oversold at this level. So the stochastics, first of all, is oversold. Okay, the second rule that I like is we have a trend change. We have the crossover here. So technically this is our crossover strategy. So I'm now looking to take trades with the trend. So there's price action. So I'm going to go over to the 1-minute charts now, and I'm going to start looking for higher highs and higher lows. Okay, well, first of all, I'm just going to draw you the highs and lows. So this is a high, 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 and lows, 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 right? So you can see that high lows. I'm also going to draw a blue line, which is going to be our resistance. Okay, and I will show you exactly what's happening. So the price has come up like this, it's trended down, it's pulled up, trended down, pulled up, trended down, pulled up, trended down, right? Can you see that? Trend up, pull back, trend up, almost done like a double top at the top here. Let me see what GPUSD trade's doing. Okay, GPUSD is gonna lose that. Okay, yeah, we just lost GPUSD, not to worry. So that's I've just lost 200 quid. I'm writing this down. Hold on, let me get my pen. So £200. Okay, for everybody that's watching this, we are launching a brand new price action trade like a market maker course. So we're going to have our normal BD. When you join us, there'll be absolutely no different. You get the same training, support, webinars and updates for life. That's like a promise for me. But we find a lot of traders, okay, you know, they trade the BD, they have great success with it, but they want to learn to trade like a banker would, you know, understand market cycles, understand pivot points, Fibonacci levels, you know, really understand about trading. You know, I'll give you an example, okay, quickly, of the sort of training we're going to be doing. So this will be more of an advanced course, so you will get your own bespoke learners, your own members, you'll get your own learning PDF. So this will be completely custom to you. So basically we will teach you from scratch about absolutely everything about how to read like a market maker, and the training will not specifically come from me, it will come from actual professional traders, actual people that work on the Canary Wharf down in London. They will be sitting beside you, me, and we will showing you exactly how to trade like them. So let me give you a quick example, okay, before we go over to it. Let's just pick USD CAD. Let's load up pivot points. Okay, I won't go in quick detail about pivot points, but pivot points takes the low of the day, it takes the average movement from the previous day and plots it as lines on today's charts. Okay, so what can I see? Okay, there is our daily pivot point here, and as you can see, the market reacts at the pivot points, right? Great way. This is market cycle, so we can see the market. If I was to draw my line here. Okay, London opened up around this time here, and what happened? This is market cycle. We put in our first low of the day, so that was our first low. Then we made our first high, and then we've just plummeted ever since. This is a market cycle, and then we'll stop around here, and then that'll be it. That, my friend, is market cycle. Okay, now we can use these pivot points here, the pivot points here. We can use these to get into a trade. So, you know, what I would do personally is wait for the price to hit the pivot point, the daily pivot point at the middle here, the 131,700, and just ride the trend all the way down. Okay, that's pivot point. That's a market cycle, how a market maker would read the news, read the charts. So we're going to go back over to GPUSD. Okay, and I'm going to put my pullback mode on, and we could get into some more trades in a minute. Yeah, so yeah, what I like about Euro USD is, can you see we're just about to cross over on the 2 moving averages just there. Can you see that? We're just about to cross over. And we're in the money. Okay, so nice, 7 minutes ago. But we should get a green arrow here, a nice green arrow. If we get a green arrow here, we can take another trade up. Okay, and I'll show you when this arrow appears what I mean. So if it drops any more, we'll get a green arrow. What's any other trade saying? See, USD CAD is dropped below that pivot point. Can you see this? This is very, we could sell the market right now. Watch this. Okay, market maker, USD CAD. Right, let's sell the market for 15 minutes down. Right, there we go. Right, so I've just sold USD CAD down because of the fact we've just broken that pivot point. Right, we've just broken a pivot point. So price has trended down, pulled up, trended up, pulled up, there we go, and now we've just broke this pivot point, which is a very important aspect. This is very important because pivot points in trading are always respected. Okay, if not always every day, I can't say, you know, guarantee the price is going to reverse at these levels, but we have a high probability chance that if the price did break these pivot points, the price is going to likely drop. So back to USD, got no signal yet, but as you can see, we are now in a trend change. If you go over to the 5 minutes, okay, can you see the trend change happening? Right, so we're looking at the 5 minute time frame. We're breaking it down from the top to the bottom. 5 minute, we're heading down. 5 minute, we're crossed over, heading up, and on the 1 minute, I'm already in my entry. I'm already in it, okay, which is an important part. Okay, I'm already in it. I got in down here somewhere. Okay, so I'm already with the trend. So we've got 5 minutes to go on these. What's USD CAD saying? Okay, USD CAD has suddenly reversed again. I want to see what it does. This, if this closes below that pivot point, we're going down. If it closes above it, I've just lost a trade. What I'll do, everyone, is I shall pause the video and I'll come back in 5 minutes, and hopefully these are a winner. Okay, right, so I've just got another signal on Euro USD, and I just want to quickly show you something. If I am allowed to take this trade, yep, right, I'm in. There we go. Right, so I've just took another cool trade on Euro USD, and I want to quickly show you something. Okay, this is another good way. Right, this is another good top tip. Look at the green arrows. Right, look at them. Right, this symbolizes our lower highs. Okay, do you see this? Right, this here is higher. So this arrow here is now higher. So what am I seeing right now? Okay, I'm seeing that the stochastics is overbought. oversold. The lines are just about to cross, and we've just got our first lower high. Okay, so we have a greater chance that the price is now going to shoot up. So in the next, I think that USD CAD trade, for the record, is hovering. Okay, I definitely got in too soon with that one, but you can see this, we are closing above that pivot point now, which is a little bit risky. So we might lose that one, but we'll see what happens. The price should spike up in a minute. There we go. This here is a kind of textbook crossover strategy. Okay, if I was to draw the lines, okay, the arrows, you see how we were going down, we were trending down, you draw the arrows, we're trending down, and then we get bang, this. At the same time, we have a crossover. Okay, stochastics confirms this. This is a very good signal, very good. Okay, perfect crossover opportunity. But because we were checking the higher time frames, I already knew that this was going to happen, because we had the crossover, which actually happened a good 20 minutes ago. So I know now that, hang on, when I go over to the 1 minute, I'm already pre-aware that we are trend changing. Okay, so yeah, we had 2 losing trades, and now hopefully, wait for these to come in, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll be at 4-2, won't we, because we lost our first 2 trades. So 4-2. Okay, wait for these to come in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will give us one, 2, 3, see this trade here, right? This is a perfect example of being impatient, right? Market was gonna, I thought the market was gonna drop below the pivot point, but it didn't. Market has suddenly gone against me. So prime example of how even I get them wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this again is going to be a nice winner. That will give us 5-2 or 5-3 actually, because we're going to lose that CAD trade. So 5-3. Let me try and look. You see how the price is shooting up now? It's going to be a nice setup, nice signal. Let me try and find you one more. I'm going to check the higher time frame. Let me load up the binary destroyer on this so I can actually get an idea of what this is doing. Okay, we've got a signal arrow. Okay, let me load up the stochastics. Okay, I'm gonna sell USD CAD again. Whoa, I wanna sell it now. Whoa, get in USD CAD, come on, don't drop. 15-minute trade, go down. Come on, don't move. Right, I'm in. Right, USD CAD, I've just sold this. So what was this? 5-3, wasn't it? 5-3. Okay, 5-3. 2 more sell trades on USD CAD. Now, again, let's go over the charts on why this is going to be a nice winner. Okay, again, can you see the crossover? Again, white line on top, uptrend. White line on top, downtrend. Yeah, we've got our pullback, first pullback, price pullbacks, reverses, pullback arrow, stochastics, cha-ching, drops. Simple. Couldn't be more simpler, guys. You know, and we start crashing back down again. Yeah, pretty much that. Let me see. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, everyone, is hopefully that is our trading session complete. Hopefully we even win that last one. If the price goes down any more, we might win all 3 of these trades. That would be nice, wouldn't it? In fact, here we go. Yes. So this will be, please, closing profit. So we're on 5.2 at the minute, okay? We're on 5.2. So if these come in fact, what I'll do is I'll pause the video and I shall come back. Okay, right, so we've got 34 seconds to go, and it looks like hopefully we win these last 3 trades. If not, okay, hopefully, well, we definitely won 2, so that's 7. That's 7-2. 7-3, 7, come on. So 10, 9, 8, 7, that's it, nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, so 7-2 today. 7-2. Okay, 1 trade to go. This will give us 8-2 for today. I was just looking in the VIP group, and where is it? Let me just load up the VIP group. One of the members just shared a result using this pullback strategy. 80 he got. Let me just bring it down. Hold on. 40 seconds to go. Nicely into the money. When it loads up, here we go. That was it. 18-2. 18-2 this evening on binary demo. That's it. And as you can see, I've just done 8-2. That was me sharing my my picture. This is exactly, well, this is 1 minute ago. So as you can see, I'm not hiding anything. Just wait for this to close in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there we go, guys. As you can see, nice, beautiful 8-2 using price action with, well, price action really. And as you can see, proof as well that even I get it wrong, and I have to use my own BD to help me. I absolutely got it wrong with pivot points, but we got there in the end. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just drop me an email at thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.